Good morning to everyone. Today's session we are going to do sums from Unit 1. Last class we have completed till sum number 2. Now read question number 3, page number 32. From the following details, calculate the missing figure. Closing capital as on 31st March 2018, 80,000. Additional capital introduced during the year 30,000. Drawings during the year 15,000. Opening capital on 1st April 2017 is missing figure. Loss for the year ending 31st March 2018, 25,000. Let me see how to find out opening capital. Write the heading center of the page, single side of our accountancy note we are going to use. Statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st March 2018. Provide particulars and amount column. As per formula, first step is closing capital 80,000. Then add drawings during the year 15,000. So 95,000 we got. Then less additional capital introduced during the year is 30,000. Now deduct 95,000 minus 30,000, 65,000. It is called adjusted closing capital. Next step, less opening capital. Here opening capital is missing figure. So leave this column empty. Now look at the next one. Look at the question. Loss for the year is available. So 25,000. Now how to find out opening capital? In the question, if loss is given, opening capital equal to adjusted closing capital add loss. Suppose if profit is given in the question, opening capital equal to adjusted closing capital minus profit. In this sum, loss is given. So adjusted closing capital 65,000, loss 25,000. Add these two amount, find out opening capital. So 90,000 we got. So fill that column missing figure. The amount which we are getting is called opening capital. Inside the bracket we should write balancing figure. Next sum. From the following details, calculate the capital as on 31st December 2018. Capital as on 1st January 1 lakh. Goods withdrawn for personal use by the owner 30,000. So this amount denotes drawings. Additional capital introduced during the year 15,000. Profit for the year 60,000. So which is missing figure in this question? Closing capital. Let me see how to find out closing capital. In this question, closing capital is missing figure. So first we have to do rough work. Segregate the items. Debit items, credit items. So debit side, 3 items used to appear. Look at the rough column. OC denotes opening capital. AC denotes additional capital. Then profit. Then move on to credit side. Since it is a rough work, you can use short form. OC, AC, profit. Then move on to credit side. Opposite of OC, that means opening capital. Credit side, closing capital. Debit side AC denotes additional capital. If the proprietor has excess money, he is introducing money in the business, it is called additional capital. So opposite of additional capital, drawings. If he needs amount for his personal use, he has taken from the business, that amount denotes drawings. So additional capital opposite, drawings, credit side. Debit side profit, opposite of profit, loss. In a question, either profit or loss will be available. Now segregate the items which are available in the question. OC, that means opening capital is there, 1 lakh. AC, additional capital 15,000. In this question, profit is given 60,000. If profit is given, definitely loss will not be there. So move on to credit side. CC, that means closing capital is missing figure. Leave this column empty. Then DR, drawings 30,000. Loss column hyphen. Now which side is higher? Total it. Debit side total 1,70,000. Credit side only one amount, drawings 30,000. So take the difference between these two sides. 1,75,000 minus 30,000. We got missing figure 1,45,000. So in this step we found closing capital in rough work. So after finding closing capital in rough column, then substitute in the formula. So center of the page, write the heading, statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st December 2019. Create particulars and amount column. First step, closing capital, which we found in rough work, 1,45,000. Then move on to question, drawings 30,000. Add 1,75,000. Less additional capital introduced during the year, 15,000. So deduct these two amounts. We got 1,60,000 is called adjusted closing capital. Next step, less opening capital, 1 lakh. So compare these two amounts, 1,60,000 minus 1 lakh. Adjusted closing capital is more than the opening capital. So profit 60,000. You can verify your answer. So after finding closing capital in the rough work, if you are substitute in the formula, we should get the same amount which is given. The last step, profit or loss, which is given in the question, we should get the same amount. So then only your answer is correct. Next question 5. From the following details, calculate the missing figure. Capital as on 1st April, 40,000. This amount denotes opening capital. Capital as on 31st March 2019, 50,000. With the help of date, we could identify whether it is opening capital or closing capital. Additional capital introduced during the year, 7,000. Profit for the year, 8,000. Drawings during the year is missing figure. Let me see how to find out drawings. Now, move on to the rough column. I already told in the previous sum itself, if closing capital, drawings or additional capital is missing figure, you can use this formula. So since it is a rough work, you can use short form. What are the three items used to appear under debit side? OC, AC, profit. OC, opening capital, 40,000. AC, additional capital, 7,000. Profit, 8,000. Move on to credit side. CC, closing capital, 50,000. Drawings is missing figure, leave it. Since profit is available in the question, loss column put hyphen. Now, take the highest amount, put the total for debit side and credit side. Debit side we got 55,000. Credit side only closing capital 50,000. Take the difference between these two sides. We could find the answer for drawings 5,000. In this step we found drawings. Then substitute in the formula. Write the heading, statement of profit or loss for the year ended 31st March 2019. Particulars and amount column. Closing capital given in the question 50,000. Next step, drawings during the year which we found in the rough work. Write 5,000. So inside the bracket, balancing figure. Add these two amount, we got 55,000. Next step, additional capital introduced during the year, 7,000. Deduct 48,000. It is called adjusted closing capital less opening capital 40,000. So adjust to closing capital is more than the opening capital. Profit 8,000. So the same amount which is given in the question profit amount we got after using drawings amount. So our answer is correct. Drawings 5,000 you could verify. Next sum we will see in the next class. Thank you.